Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Samsung Portable SSD T7 USB drive. It's a solid state drive and this one is 1 terabyte and it is in gray. So let's open it up. Here is the drive, very small, slim. It has a USB-C connection on this side and it looks like there's an LED right here, there. As you can see, it says Samsung Portable SSD T7. And we also have a couple of cables. This one is USB-C on both sides. This one has USB-C on one side and USB-A on the other side. And it has some instructions as well. Here we have the T7, and on my computer I do have the USB-C on both sides, so I'm plugging it in for the first time. See, plugged it in. And let's see what the computer does. Looking at the computer, it's easy just to stroll into the folders. Here you have 3 different files. One of them is for Android, one for Mac, and one for Windows. Once you log in there, it gives you a user agreement. You can read the whole agreement and hit OK, agree. Next, you get to install the software. It does it pretty fast. Once it's done, it's asking if you are a resident of the European country, and I'm not, so let's click. And if you want the security on and off, here are the options. You could also rename your drive. I did hit update on the software. And it's really up to date. It comes in with the latest software. Now you can put a password here. And I just put some random letters for now, so we can just put in the password of your choice. You're done. And right now it's unlocked. It gives you the storage available. You can either keep it locked or unlock it. So you're done here. Once you set up your password, then you can come back and unlock it and then use the drive. It's very fast. I like how it works. Hopefully this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching the video and enjoy.